Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. For example, if you're having any conversation with one of the person on Instagram, if they blocked you, you can check by few things. So I'll show you. What I'll do is on my Instagram. So this is my Instagram. What I'll do is I'll open another Instagram account and search for this particular account, Tech Answered Official, and I'll block that from that account. So to do that, I just opened another Instagram account on my laptop. Okay, this is on my laptop, and what I'll do is I'll just search for this particular account. See here, Tech Answered Official. I'll search. See here, this one. And what I'll do is I'll just block this account from this. So done. So I have blocked from that account, and now what I'll do is, and this is the account which is just blocked me, and you can open to messenger or DM chat list and view their profile. So there is nothing showing up here, so that this is the one case they have blocked you. And another thing you can check is just search with the exact ID on Instagram search. So when you search with the exact ID, and even though if you're searching exact ID, then also there is no search results or something like that, you can make sure that this account is this account person is blocked you. So I'll search that exactly. I'll open the search bar here and search with the exact ID, and no results found for this particular ID. So this means you can assume that now the other person on Instagram blocked you, but Instagram won't show up the list of all the blocked accounts to you, because their guidelines and their community guidelines, and then their privacy policy or their standards won't allow you to see all the list of blocked accounts. So I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.